In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to postpone an Eventbrite event. We'll walk through the desktop method step by step so you can pause sales, adjust your date, and keep attendees informed with confidence. Start by signing into your Eventbrite account. Click your profile icon and choose Manage My Events. From your list, open the event you need to postpone. On the event dashboard, look for the Event Status button. Depending on your event, it might say on sale, sales ended, or sold out. Click it, select Change Status, and choose Postponed. Then click Take Off Sale to pause ticket sales. This is important because it clearly marks the event as postponed without canceling it, and it stops new orders while you finalize your plan. Next, set a temporary future date. Go to Basic Info or Date and Time in your event settings. If you don't know the final date yet, pick a placeholder in the future so the listing reflects that the event isn't happening as originally scheduled. If you prefer not to show exact times until you're certain, you can uncheck Display Start Time and Display End Time. Click Save to lock in these changes. This helps avoid confusion and prevents attendees from assuming the original schedule still applies. Now notify your attendees. From your dashboard, open emails to attendees. Send a clear update that explains the postponement, shares when you expect to announce a new date, and outlines refund information. Include straightforward contact details for questions so people know how to reach you. Keep the tone empathetic and direct, acknowledging the change while reassuring your audience that you're working on the new plan. There are a few important Eventbrite policy notes to keep in mind. You should provide and communicate a new event date within 90 days. If you determine the event will not happen, Eventbrite recommends canceling instead. Organizers are required to respond to refund requests within 5 business days. Following these guidelines helps maintain trust and keeps your account in good standing. When you're ready to reschedule, return to your event and edit the event date and time with the confirmed details. Put tickets back on sale by updating your existing ticket types or creating new ones if needed. Finally, email attendees with the new date so everyone stays informed and can plan accordingly. That's it. By postponing status, setting a temporary date, and communicating clearly, you'll keep your event organized and your community supported until the new date is ready.